Good morning, candidates. Karnataka Bank in news. What is the target price of Karnataka Bank stock? Stock price target for Karnataka Bank Limited are 214.13 on downslide and 216.73 on upside. But whether there is any change, I don't know. Who is the CEO of Karnataka Bank? Sri Krishnan Harihara Sharma. Sri Krishnan Hariharan Sharma is the managing director and CEO. He has nearly 4 decades of experience spread across commercial, retail, and transactional banking, technology, and also payments. What is the dividend of Karnataka Bank in 2023? For the year ending March 2023, Karnataka Bank has declared an equity dividend of 50%, amounting to rupees 5 per share. At the current share price of rupees 213.20, I don't know how much it is today, this results in a dividend of 2.35%. The company has a good dividend track report and has consistently declared dividends for the last 5 years. What is the minimum balance in SB account in Karnataka Bank with checkbook 2000 metropolitan urban, rupees 1000 semi-urban rural, and FI? I don't know what is FI. Then is KBL a good buy? Karnataka Bank has an average target of 267.50. The consensus estimate represents an upside of 23.67 from the last price. Why Karnataka Bank shares are falling? Karnataka Bank Limited reported a 19.7% fall in net profit at rupees 330.3 crore for the quarter ended September 23 against a profit of 412 crore in September 2022 quarter. Karnataka Bank's net interest income rose 2.4% to 822.4 crore in quarter 2 against 802.8 crore in the corresponding period of the preceding fiscal. What is the record date of Karnataka Bank bonus shares? It is given as 2020 1:10, 2002 1:1. This is more useful for people buying shares. Which bank stock to buy in 2023? Some recommendation from Google is HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, the last one given as Ind Bank. Okay. So these are the points regarding latest news on Karnataka Bank. I just wanted to check up what is the news about Karnataka Bank. So I suggest candidates to go through moneycontrol.com, Karnataka Bank, and get to know as many new information as possible. Thank you. Thank you so much.